Welcome to the Two Introverts channel. In this video, you'll be getting an overview about applying for a skilled worker visa for working in the UK or for switching to the skilled worker visa. Let's get started. A skilled worker visa lets you work in the UK. This visa has replaced the older Tier 2 general work visa. If you are outside the UK, you can apply for this visa, or if you're in the UK, you can apply to change or switch to a skilled worker visa. Now you can also switch from ICT to skilled worker visa without any cooling off period. But there are a few visa categories excluded from this switching, like short-term student visa, visitor visa, etc. See the link for a list of such visas. Let us now look at the eligibility criteria. First, you need to have a job offer from an employer in the UK which holds a sponsor license. This is a license which the employer or companies in the UK hold so that they are eligible to sponsor. Now, most of the large-scale companies such as Citibank, TCS and many more do hold this license, but you can verify it from the link below for the complete list. The job which you choose must also fall under the predefined list of eligible occupations. You can find a very large number of occupations ranging from IT to banking to healthcare, etc. Check in the link below for a complete list. Third, there is a minimum salary requirement of £25,600 per year or £10.10 per hour, whichever is higher. But there is also the concept of a going rate listed for all the jobs. Now, if the going rate for your job is higher than both, you'll usually need to be paid at least the going rate. Check the link below for a full list. I know it sounds confusing, so let me clarify with an example. Suppose you are applying for the role of an IT program manager. The going rate as per the list is £40,000 per year. So you should be paid at least this amount and not the minimum salary defined, which is £25,600 per year. So I'd recommend you to first find the going rate for your specific job role before you go for the salary discussion of the interview. The fourth eligibility criteria is Certificate of Sponsorship, also known as COS. The employer or company will issue a certificate of sponsorship, which is simply an electronic record. It will have a work start date, salary, a brief job description, employer details, etc. Also, there is a time limit here. You must apply for your visa within 3 months of getting the COS. Fifth is knowledge of English. You need to prove your knowledge of the English language by either of the two ways. Either by appearing for a test or getting an ECCTIS certificate. This was previously known as NARIC certificate. Let me tell you a little bit more about both. You can appear for a secure English language test from an approved provider like Pearson or IELTS or any other from the link below. Make sure to register for the appropriate exam. For example, in IELTS website, register for IELTS for UKVI or IELTS Life Skills. You must prove you can read, write, speak and understand English to at least level B1 on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages scale. For example, overall IELTS score of 5 confirms the level B1. Or if you have studied outside of UK and hold a degree qualification which was taught in English language, you can apply for ECCTIS, previously known as NARIC certificate. It is basically a service confirming that your qualification is equivalent to either bachelor's, master's or PhD in the UK. But for this, before applying, you need to have a medium of instruction certificate from your university. And then you need to apply for ECCTIS certificate on the below link. There is a fee involved for both the test and the ECCTIS certificate. Also, you need not to prove knowledge of English if you are a national of few countries specified like Australia, USA, etc. Check the full list in the link below. Now let us discuss about the costs involved. First is the application fee. The application fee varies depending on circumstances like the length of the visa being applied for and the country from which you are applying. The standard fee ranges from £610 to £1,408 depending on your circumstances. Check the link below for details. Next is the healthcare surcharge. You need to pay the healthcare surcharge of £624 for each year of your stay. There are exceptions for this if you have applied under certain job categories. You will get to know the exact application fee and health surcharge while you're applying. Below is a list of documents which you need to keep handy before starting your application. A valid passport with a blank page, a copy of course which will have your job title, salary and occupation code. You can check these with your employer. Tuberculosis test results are required for certain countries, for example India, Indonesia, Malaysia, etc. And this has to be done from approved test clinics only. Check the link below for the list of countries and the list of approved clinics. A criminal record certificate if you are working in certain jobs, proof of savings like bank statements to prove that you have enough personal savings of at least £1,270 in your bank account for straight 28 days in a row. Alternatively, your employer can also support you by explicitly completing the sponsor certifies maintenance section on your course certificate. If you are applying for a dependent, then proof of your relationship with your partner or children and additional maintenance cost as personal savings in your bank account. ECCTIS certificate or English test score as mentioned earlier. You can apply for the visa online. Use this link if you are applying from outside the UK. Use this link to extend your current skilled worker visa. Use this link if you are switching to skilled worker visa. Use this link to update your visa if you change job or employer. After submitting the application and paying the fee, you will need to schedule a biometrics appointment, after which you can either upload all the supporting documents to the website or carry these to the application center if they provide a document scanning service. If you have applied from outside the UK, then you can expect to get a decision within 3 weeks from the date of your biometrics appointment. If you have applied within the UK, then you can expect to get a decision within 8 weeks from the date of your biometrics appointment. You can also opt for priority services for an additional fee for a faster decision. Please check with your application center for more details. This video covered most of the information required for you to apply for a skilled worker visa. Please let us know in the comments if you have any queries or if you would like us to elaborate any specific topic. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe to our channel.